Every week, there's a new AI tool making headlines, and right now there are more AI video generators than ever, but most of them don't work as well as you'd expect. Some generate great videos, but only if you stay within their style limits. If you try to get more creative, like detailed anime or wild fantasy worlds, they often mess up. Most of the time, they're too expensive or just confusing to use. I've tested every major tool that's come out recently, and I've seen where they shine and where they completely fall apart. I'm going to show you the best AI video tool that actually delivers the kind of quality you'd want to publish. In this video, we will talk about Flova. Well, you might wonder what this site is and why I chose it specifically. Simply because Flova is the world's first all-in-one AI video agent. A platform that lets you create cinematic short films just by having a conversation with AI. It works like text-based professional editing software, breaking production into clear stages such as story outlines, visual planning, storyboard design, shot control, wide, medium, close-up, and even background music generation, while giving you full control to adjust every step to match professional creative standards. Flova integrates the most advanced image, video, and audio models available today, including Sora 2, VEO3, 𝘾𝙀𝙊𝙊𝙋𝙀𝙍, 𝘾𝙊𝙊𝙊𝙋𝙀𝙍, WAN 2.5, Midjourney V7, GPT Image 1, Suno for music, and 11 Labs for voice, all in one place. And in a world where creating a high-quality video is harder than ever due to complex software, limited time, expensive gear, and the pressure to stand out, Flova solves every one of these problems. It unifies the entire video creation pipeline: storytelling, visuals, sound, composition, pacing, editing, and exporting into a single creator-focused experience, removing technical barriers, speeding up production, and allowing anyone to turn an idea into a polished, publish-ready video without needing a full production team. After entering the website and creating an account, you will find this interface simple and easy. All you have to do is click on the plus sign to find 3 ways to create the video: through an image, audio, or text. The site contains all possible options, including creating the video through a description, which is what I will do now. I have written this description, which is an anime scene. After that, we will specify the models we will use. You will find all the famous names there, including the new Nano Banana Pro model and also VEO 3.1. The number of options the site offers you is truly impressive. The same goes for images and music. You can choose which models you want to use according to your needs and preferences. There is also something called Style, where you can choose between the Sora 2 model and the tail-to-head frame connection. When you click on them, you will find a simple explanation to understand the difference. I will now choose the Sora 2 model for the experiment. After activating the feature, simple modifications will be added to the original text to help us achieve the desired result. Once we are sure that everything is good, we will click on Generate. Here, we will enter the next stage, which is Creation, where our agent will analyze the prompt we provided and may ask you several questions in order to give you the result as you imagine. In this way, you will follow this stage with it, allowing you to make edits whenever you want. Okay, after finishing processing our request, you will see, as I told you before, that the site asked us several simple questions in order to create the images and videos as we want, even the music. It gives you the option to change it if you want. Simply, the site allows you to change anything you want, even if you missed it and moved on to the next step. Your agent will help you create the video you wanted, all using AI and without any intervention from you. You just tell it what you want and it does the rest. When we reach the end, we will have our video. To download it, we click on Export and then Download, and the video will be ready for publishing. If you want to make income from creating videos with artificial intelligence, Flova will be one of the best options you have. Now I will show you the result I got.
You have a better future ahead of you. I'm not the one for you.
No. Why?
To upgrade your account and use the site with greater freedom, you must purchase a plan. There are 3 paid plans offered by the site, and there are also significant discounts on subscriptions now. If you purchase an annual plan, you will get a discount of up to 17%. Flova is also considered one of the cheapest and best sites for video production, because it is not as expensive as others. So take advantage of the discount now and register on the site. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all new updates.